Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining this hazard tour. Our first stop is Alabama. This is where many tornadoes occur. This can occur in various parts of the United States, but is common in Alabama. As you can see, there are many trees around the area, and tornadoes are usually hard to spot. Luckily, forecasters always issue tornado warnings so residents can be prepared. Moving on to our second location, which is Chile, where earthquakes happen very often. It's known for earthquakes because of the two plates colliding, the Nazca plate and the South American plate. Definitely residents should always follow regulations when it comes to building a house or any kind of building. As you can see, there are many buildings around the area. And our last stop is Sacramento, California, where many floods happen. This happens due to storm and heavy rain during the winter. And this occurs often near the Sacramento River and the American River. And as you can see, there are many buildings also here in Sacramento, California. And this is the river. Just want to show you a little bit around Sacramento. And this is the end of the tour. Thank you for watching.